Hi Scholars, so today we're completing Module 4, Lesson 10. So let's read our learning intention. Thoughtful mathematicians use the distributive property to find the area of large rectangles. So we remember that the distributive property is where we decompose a larger number into two smaller numbers that add up to that larger number. And we're going to use that fact to help us find the area of larger rectangles. And notice I skipped the vocabulary for today because we've been seeing it for a few days now, because we've been working with area of rectangles and square units. So here I have 9 times 8 to find the area of this rectangle, because the length is 8 and the width is 9. But I noticed the width has been split into 5 and 4. And the top side it's dark gray and the bottom that's white. So I'm going to help fill in the rest of this equation to help me solve these two parts to add it up to find the total area. So 9 times 8 has been split to be 5 times 8, the top part, and 4 times 8. So I'm filling my blanks. Well, 5 times 8 I know is 40 because I can skip count by 5s. And 4 times 8, well, if I take away 8 from 40, right, just take away one group of 8 away, that's 32. So now I can add these two partial products to find the total. 40 plus 32 is 2, 7, 72. So the area of this rectangle is 72 square units. So we found the parts and then added them up. Right? And the reason how we found this was by multiplying the sides of the two smaller rectangles to then figure out the total. And this bottom part is also a, right? Whatever this side is, it's equal on the opposite side. So let's try one together. So here we have, so it's 12 times 5, so that means that this entire side is 12. The whole thing is 12, and this bottom part is 2. What's this, the side of the gray part of this rectangle? It would be 10, because 10 plus 2 equals 12, right? We broke it apart to be 10 and 12. So that's what we're going to fill in here. What do we fill in our first empty spot? 10. And our second, 2. So let's go ahead and solve that. 10 times 5 and 2 times 5. What are those products? That's 50 and 10. And 50 plus 10 is 60. So the area of this rectangle is 60 square units. So go ahead and try this last one, and then we'll check our work together. So press pause now to solve on your own, then press play to check your work. All right, so I know I have 7 times 13. This side is 3. 10 plus 3 is 13, so this side must be 10. So I can use that to fill in my missing numbers. 7 times 10 and 7 times 3. I know 7 times 10 is 70, right? Because that's an easy fact. And 7 times 3 is 7. 14, 2 groups, one more group. 14 plus 7 is 21. So 70 plus 21. So let's go ahead and add that up. 70 and 21. Oops. 1 plus 0 is 1. 7 plus 2 is 9. 91. So the area of this rectangle, well, that looks weird. The area of this rectangle is 91 square units. All right, thank you so much for watching. As always, you can reach out to me on Schoology if you have any questions. And in today's problem set, it will be on Go Formative, and you'll need to do something similar to what we just did, either filling the blanks or solving for the two products to add them up. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye, guys.